the day too. Doing a vlog around it and Kingdom. And I think tonight we're going to Disney Springs. So here's our little view. We ordered room service and Jack's would be a pretty good day. So stay along for the rest of the video. A little breakfast. Show your breakfast. Ooh. Jesus. The view. With the avocado toast. It's cool. My inner childhood. I could definitely win from that. Little pool view. Checking out Kate. All the little 2-cent prizes, but you know. It's the playing that, you know, it's the fun part. Get the little kawaii. Some exploring before we get on our shuttle. It leaves in 20 minutes. Watch out for the alligators and snakes.
Really?
Stay away from the water. Unless you want to get eaten by an alligator or a snake. Yeah, like water snakes or whatever. Exploring. This is where we get picked up, so gotta wait like 10 more minutes.
It just does that because we just got it done.
The side shopping areas, leave the main shopping areas open in all parks an hour and a half later.
Oh yes. I forget which way we have to go.
No, we're here. We're down here, and we're gonna go do the thing.
Oh, the animal safari.
Oh, look online.
We found the tree. There's some probably alligators down
We're
there.
here eating Mickey popsicle.
Actually?
Yes. Right here.
Oh, was it right here?
Yes.
This brings back the nostalgia. There's something going on. Yeah, because it's like crowded. Come here. Oh.
Is that where we go to this go?
They're always behind.
I know.
You know. Sign up for that. Walking through the cave.
Picture.
My little. I know.
See, look, it's just that dog that one picture ruined. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. My Dole Whip. 60-minute wait. It won't be 60 minutes probably.
If you are traveling with a stroller,
You don't remember doing this either?
No, I don't remember doing it.
First stop today is a little Missouri. Currently making a nest up on the hill here on your right. They're in the same exact location to nest. It's very helpful for them, so the hippos can and do swim. They might prefer to actually walk along the bed instead. That way they can propel themselves in water and actually move very quickly. So very gentle with these giants. Heather, they also nickname the ups. But in fact, these horns are actually nowhere near as heavy as they may look. Much more a honeycomb up that send back exactly which leads to grab onto, but are also constantly scanning for predators. Because with these long legs, they don't like to lie down very. Your giraffes called a tower of giraffes. So very sensitive hearing. The elephants actually communicate very deep, low frequency rumbles that we cannot hear. In fact,
Oh, there you go.
It was like,
I know. Cool. What?
you have to be here too. I want to touch your little thing.
My little bow.
No, you gotta cut it with a little knife.
I do. Very good.
You want ketchup on it?
Same the whole way. Yeah, that's cute.
Like, we'll
No.
have like their jackets even sitting there. You're one.
Oh, I'm one. I'm
all the way
one.
into the room.
We're here by
and stand on
ourselves.
the number you were given.
Alright guys, we were gonna go to Disney Springs tonight, but we just decided to chill. We had this like blueberry Danish thing from like the place downstairs, and it was actually really good. And yeah, so it's 7:23, and we were gonna change rooms also for the firework view, but it wasn't as good as we thought it was, so we came back to the room they gave us last night, and we're gonna stay here all week because we really enjoyed the view and it was nice and quiet. Yeah, we're just gonna chill. We just decided last minute to stay in our room, and then we could go somewhere if we wanted to, because Disney Springs isn't close to 11, but we're both like pretty tired, and we noticed that since we got back to our room. But yeah, it was a pretty good day. It was very long and a lot of walking, so it just like is really tiring. But yeah, just watching some TV, gonna watch some YouTube, and then relax a bit. And then before I go to bed, I have like a list of stuff on my iPad of stuff that we're gonna do at each park we go to. Tomorrow we're going to Epcot, and tomorrow night we may be going to the Disney Springs. But yeah, so we're just gonna take it easy tonight because it was a pretty busy day. It was really fun though. I really enjoyed it. And yeah, I remember doing the safari from when I was little, but it could have just been I seen a picture of me when I was younger. But yeah, no, it like brought back a little bit of nostalgia, but I didn't remember everything I did when I was younger. So, but yeah, it was actually pretty cool. And yeah, so hopefully you guys are enjoying these like little vlogs, these daily vlogs. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow.